I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I write short stories. I write short stories. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I walk to my kitchen. I walk to my kitchen. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I drink water. I drink water. I read a book. I read a book. I clean my room. I clean my room. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I lock the door. I lock the door. I do my homework. I do my homework. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I cut my nails. I cut my nails. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I check my phone. I check my phone. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I switch on the fan. I switch on the fan. I charge my laptop. I charge my laptop. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I wash my face. I wash my face. I open my book. I open my book. I iron my clothes. I iron my clothes. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I check my emails. I check my emails. I plug in my charger. I plug in my charger. I switch off the TV. I switch off the TV. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I sip my coffee. I sip my coffee. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I adjust my spectacles. I adjust my spectacles. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. I shake my head. I shake my head. I rub my eyes. I rub my eyes. I blow my nose. I blow my nose. I stretch my leg. I stretch my leg. I wave my hand. I wave my hand. I clap my hands. I clap my hands. Guess the sentence from the image and comment below. To know the answer, thank you. Follow our page for more videos.